An Ultratech Cements plan to acquire debt-ridden Binani Cements outside the purview of IBC hit a roadblock, and the Supreme Court refusing to intervene in a plea seeking permission for an out-of-court settlement. Ashwin Mohan joins us for more on that. Ashwin, tell us about it.
This is a case which will decide whether or not one can entertain any out-of-court settlement while one is already in the midst of an ongoing IBC process. The Supreme Court made two things very clear today as far as the Binani Industries plea was concerned. They told Binani Industries that they found no reason to interfere at the plea as far as this particular current stage is concerned, and they also in fact very directly told the council that Binani Industries plea seems to be put up on behalf of Ultratech Cement, almost like a front. And on those two grounds, clearly that was a setback as far as Ultratech's plans of acquiring the cement company Binani Cement is concerned. And of course, then you had Binani Industries withdrawing its plea that was filed against the NCLT order at the Supreme Court. What does this mean? This means that now the proceedings go back to the NCLT Kolkata, which will now hear the case on Monday. That's when Binani Industries will try to pursue its plan of in fact going out of court and striking a deal with Ultratech. If you look at the background of this entire case, it's a case which has really seen a heated battle between the Dalmia Bharat Consortium and Ultratech. Remember, Dalmia Bharat Consortium was the selected bidder by the COC and the IRP under the IBC. But it's later that Ultratech raised concerns alleging lack of transparency in the entire process. And after that, you suddenly had the twist in the tail wherein you had a deal being struck outside the IBC between Ultratech and Binani, and that of course was a higher bid. So the question is, should the COC entertain a higher bid outside the scope of the IBC, or should it stick to the procedure of the IBC and perhaps go with a lower bid? It's a very, very significant question of law, and now all eyes will be on the NCLT.
And the race for Fortis Healthcare hots up. Existing shareholders, Munjals and Burmans make a case for their bid for the hospital chain. In exclusive conversation with the ET Now, Hero Enterprise top boss SK Munjal says there is no reason why Fortis will reject the deal. Meanwhile, Dabur Group Chairman Anand Burman also says that they will review the proposal if Manipal makes a counter offer. Let's get a slice of that chat.
There is, as you know, a SEBI formula out there, and we have offered this at 156 rupees a share. You can work out the numbers for yourselves. The shareholding, I guess, would fall somewhere around 15% or so. We just want to ensure that the asset quality is what we believe it is, because our understanding is it is a very high quality asset, very well diversified geographically. There is no good reason why an offer of this nature, which is putting money without any conditionality straight up front to address the current need, and is putting more money after we've satisfied ourselves with the diligence, should not meet the needs of the company.
It's partly a financial investment, and partly the investment is being made because of both of our very strong interests in the healthcare area. We are very good friends. Our families have known each other for years, and if we can do something together, why not?